Hello everyone. I am Chandan Preet Singh representing Group G of course Azure Cloud Security. Welcome to the presentation on Azure Sentinel. Today I will provide an overview of Azure Sentinel, discussing its key features and explaining why it is important in modern cybersecurity. Let's start with Azure Sentinel introduction. Azure Sentinel is a cloud-based security tool that helps manage, detect and respond to threats in real time. It's like an all-in-one platform for keeping track of security data, investigating potential issues, and responding quickly when problem arises. Moving towards the purpose of Sentinel, the main purpose of Azure Sentinel is to help organizations improve their security operations. It involves threat detection, real-time monitoring, incident response, centralized security management, and utilizes AI. Now let's talk about why cloud native SIEM solutions like Azure Sentinel are so important today. Many traditional security tools, which are usually based on on-premises systems, struggle to keep up with modern requirements and help in increasing scalability, cost effectiveness, seamless integration, and automation. Let's take a quick look at the evolution of SIEM systems. At the stage 1, as we see, SIEM handles small amount of data and had basic alerts, whereas compared to stage 3, it has advanced tools and a support of AI. So now I will be comparing traditional SIEM systems and Azure Sentinel to show how they differ and why Azure Sentinel is considered a more modern solution for managing cybersecurity threats. Azure Sentinel, a cloud native SIEM solution, offers scalability, integration, threat intelligence, and automation response, reducing operational burdens. Unlike traditional SIEMs that require significant upfront costs and maintenance, Sentinel operates on a pay as you go model, providing a user friendly interface and built in compliance reporting for easier security management.
Today, I'm excited to talk about architecture and key features of Azure Sentinel, a comprehensive cloud native security solution designed to help organizations secure their infrastructure through advanced analytics and artificial intelligence. The architecture of Azure Sentinel. Azure Sentinel is built on cloud native framework, leveraging Microsoft Azure scalable infrastructure. It brings together a diverse set of data sources to analyze and store security data in real time, ensuring high availability and resilience. This powerful system seamlessly integrates with both Microsoft services like Microsoft 365 and third party applications, giving organizations complete control over their security landscape. Now, I will be talking about the key features of Azure Sentinel. The diversity of data sources in Azure Sentinel. Azure Sentinel supports a wide range of data connections, making it easy to communicate with various sources like Microsoft 365, Azure services, and third party applications. Another key feature is real time data ingestion, allowing companies to monitor security events as they happen. This significantly speeds up threat detection and incident report, making it more effective. Additionally, Azure Sentinel offers the flexibility of customer connected development. Using REST APIs, organizations can create customer connectors, integrate unique data sources into their security operations, and tailor data collection to meet specific security needs. So now I will be talking about how Azure Sentinel leverages advanced machine learning algorithms to enhance security operations. By utilizing these powerful algorithms, Azure Sentinel analyzes vast amounts of security data, identifying patterns and anomalies that may indicate potential threats. This significantly improves the accuracy of threat detection. Additionally, its AI-powered features enable automated incident responses, reducing the need for manual intervention and increasing the overall efficiency of security incident management. Finally, Azure Sentinel continuously evolves through feedback loops. learning from past attacks to refine its threat detection models, ensuring it stays ahead of emerging threats and attack vectors. So now I will be talking about automation and orchestration. With security orchestration, automation, and response SOAR capabilities, Azure Sentinel automates complex security tasks, improving operational efficiency. The platform integrates with other Microsoft services, offering a unified and cohesive security approach. It also supports third-party tools, allowing organizations to customize their security ecosystem. Continuous improvement. Azure Sentinel uses feedback loops from previous incidents to continuously evolve and improve its threat detection models. This ensures that it stays up to date with the emerging threats, enhancing the security framework over time. In conclusion, Azure Sentinel is a powerful, flexible solution that not only strengthens your security infrastructure but also empowers organizations to act swiftly and intelligently against security threats. With its advanced AI and machine learning capabilities, real time monitoring, and seamless integration with a wide array of services, Azure Sentinel is designed to meet the ever evolving security needs of today's digital enterprises. Thank you.
Thanks, Bhavya. This is Minakshi. So I'll be talking about the use cases and the real world applications. Let's begin with our first case study, focusing on Infosys, a prominent global IT service provider. Infosys aimed to enhance its cyber security measures by adopting a centralized cloud native security information and event management system, specifically Azure Sentinel. The primary goal was to effectively manage and respond to security threats in real time, enhancing their overall cyber security posture. So, to implement it, in terms of implementation process, Infosys successfully integrated Azure Sentinel with its existing system. This integration allowed Azure Sentinel to connect to various data sources from both cloud environments and internal networks. By leveraging Sentinel's machine learning capabilities, Infosys automated workflows for threat detection and incident response. This automation streamlined processes across multiple security teams, enabling them to react swiftly to security events. And the outcome. Now let's look at the outcomes, benefits of this implementation. Following the deployment of Azure Sentinel, Infosys reported a 35% increase in threat detection efficiency. This improvement translated into faster incident response times and a notable reduction in operational complexity. As a result, this global infrastructure became more robust against emerging cybersecurity, reinforcing their commitment to security in an ever evolving digital landscape. Now, let's explore our second case study, which centers around a multinational financial service company. This organization has a dual objective to maintain compliance with stringent financial regulations such as PSI, DSS, and SOX, while also protecting its global operations from an increasing number of cyber threats. Their focus was not just on security but also on ensuring that they adhere to the regulatory standards in a highly regulated industry. In terms of implementation process, the company deployed Azure Sentinel across its hybrid cloud environment. They successfully integrated data sources from both on-premises services and cloud platforms, ensuring comprehensive visibility across their infrastructure. Furthermore, they utilized Microsoft Defender to enhance endpoint security and relied on Azure Sentinel Advanced Analytics for effective threat detection. This strategic integration enabled them to create a more realistic security framework. As a result, sorry about that. As a result of implementing Azure Sentinel, the company experienced a 40% decrease in incident response times. This significant improvement allowed them to respond more quickly to potential threats, thereby enhancing their overall security posture. Additionally, they gained better insights into potential risks throughout their global network. One of the standout benefit was Azure Sentinel ability to generate simplified audit-ready compliance report, which drastically reduced the time required for regulatory reporting. This not only streamlined their compliance process but also ensured they remained aligned with regulatory expectations. Now let's talk about benefits of using Azure Sentinel for security operation and threat monitoring. Let's start with centralized visibility. Azure Sentinel integrates data from both on-premises and cloud environments, providing a unified view of an organization's security posture. This real-time centralized visibility enables security team to quickly detect irregularities, potential incidents, improving their ability to respond to threats more efficiently. Next, we have enhanced threat detection. Azure Sentinel uses advanced analytics and machine learning to identify pattern and anomalies that might be missed by traditional security systems. By leveraging this intelligence, organizations can proactively protect themselves against new and emerging attacks, reducing the risk of security breaches. And also, Azure Sentinel's SOAR capability play a critical role in automating incident response tasks. This automation allows security teams to focus on more serious threats while routine responses are handled automatically. This increases operational efficiency and reduces the manual workload, ensuring faster responses to incidents. Finally, Azure Sentinel is a cloud native security information and event management, which means it doesn't require heavy on premises infrastructure, leading to lower capital cost. This pay as you go model also offers scalability, flexibility, enabling organizations to manage their security budget more effectively while ensuring optimal resource allocation. Now we'll discuss how Azure Sentinel helps in regulatory compliance like GDPR HIPAA. Firstly, let's discuss GDPR compliance feature. Azure Sentinel equips organizations with essential tools to monitor and manage data access and processing activities. This feature ensures compliance with GDPR requirements by providing real-time visibility into data handling practices. Organizations can identify potential breaches, enable them to take immediate action, and maintain adherence to stringent data protection standards. Moving on to hypersecurity protocols, Azure Sentinel is particularly beneficial for healthcare organizations. The platform includes built-in security controls that help meet HIPAA regulations, such as monitoring access to protected health information. Additionally, it automates incident response for potential violations, ensuring that organizations can respond quickly and effectively to any security incidents that may compromise patients' data. Finally, let's talk about audit and reporting capabilities. Azure Sentinel provides comprehensive audit trails and reporting functionalities that are crucial for compliance audits. Organizations can easily generate detailed reports on security incidents and data access, demonstrating their adherence to regulatory standards. This feature not only simplifies the auditing process but also enhances transparency in security practices. So, here I'll end. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Amandeep Kaur and I will continue talking about Azure Sentinel. Now that we have looked at its architecture and features that is described by my friend Minakshi, let's discuss some challenges organizations face when setting it up and how to overcome them. Our challenge is in with data integration, that is first and the most important challenge. Organizations use different systems and Azure Sentinel has to collect data from all of them. However, the data might be in different formats which can cause delays if not properly managed. And the next one challenge is configuration complexities. Setting up Sentinel can also be complex. It needs to be customized for each organization's security needs, including detection rules and automated responses. Without proper configuration, some threats might go undetected. Now, the third one is resource management and scaling. As organizations collect more data, they need to ensure their system can handle the load. If not, a spike in security alerts during an attack could slow down their response time. And the last and the fourth one challenge is skill gaps. Azure Sentinel is a powerful tool, but it requires knowledge of advanced features like AI and automation. If the security team doesn't have the right training, it can be difficult to use Sentinel effectively. Organizations need to invest in staff training to make the most of its capabilities. These challenges may seem daunting, but with a solid approach, they can be managed effectively. Now, let's explore how organizations can overcome these hurdles by following best practices.
Hello guys, I'm Jashneet Kaur and I'll continue with best practices for deploying and optimizing Azure Sentinel. Start by planning your architecture carefully. Set clear goals for using Sentinel like real-time threat detection or compliance. This will help you decide which data source to integrate and how to configure detection rules. Focus on what's necessary to keep the system efficient. Secondly, use playbooks to automate repetitive tasks like responding to alerts. This reduces manual work and speeds up responses. For example, a playbook can automatically isolate a compromised account when a threat is detected, allowing your team to focus on complex issues. Next, regularly review and update configurations as security threats constantly evolve. Sentinel's feedback loops can help fine-tune your settings to stay effective against new risks. Lastly, invest in training for your team. To fully leverage Sentinel's advanced features, your staff needs to be skilled in areas like automation and machine learning. This helps close skill gaps and ensure effective use of the tool. By following these best practices, organizations can optimize Azure Sentinel, managing costs while improving security. Now, let's discuss strategies for improving Azure Sentinel's performance and managing costs efficiently. While Azure Sentinel is a powerful tool, it's important to use it wisely to maximize its benefits without overspending. One of the key ways to manage costs is by controlling how much data you store. Azure Sentinel charges based on the amount of the data you ingest and keep. By choosing the right retention periods and only storing critical security data, you can keep your costs under control while still having the necessary information for threat detection. Another strategy is using Sentinel's built-in tools like machine learning and automated analytics to optimize performance. These tools help reduce false positives and pinpoint real threats, meaning your security team can focus on what truly matters. This reduces wasted resources and makes threat detection more efficient. Monitoring your system's resource usage is essential for keeping costs low. By regularly reviewing how much data you are collecting and analyzing where your resources are being used, you can identify areas where you may over-allocate resource. Adjusting your usage helps prevent unnecessary spending. Lastly, Azure offers built-in cost management tools that let you tracking your spendings. These tools allow you to set budgets and alerts, helping you to ensure you don't exceed your planned spending. This is a critical step in managing long-term costs while using Azure Sentinel. By storing the right data, utilizing smart tools, regularly reviewing resource usage, and tracking costs, organizations can optimize Azure Sentinel's performance and stay within budget, all while maintaining a high level of security. In conclusion, Azure Sentinel offers powerful tools to enhance security, but effective implementation requires careful planning and optimization. By following best practices, organizations can fully benefit from its capabilities. Thank you so much for listening to us patiently.